So previously I had wave 3 ending here. Okay, and my wave 3 ended at the 786. And we know, according to Elliott wave theory, wave 3 cannot extend below the one Fibonacci extension of wave 1, okay? The one Fibonacci extension is the minimum extension of wave 3, okay? And we had wave 3 end at 786. That was the one thing I didn't like about that. So I critiqued it. Last night, I don't know, I just happened to stare at this. And you know when you have those moments where it's like you're looking at a crossword puzzle, you're looking at a problem, you just have the answers. Everything makes sense. It's so clear. It fits. I had a eureka moment, and I looked at it. I was like, no shit. We're in the third wave, okay? We are in the third wave. All right, very clearly. I did a Fibonacci extension. I took the Fibonacci extension tool of wave 1. Okay, that's very clearly wave 1. All right, we have 0 cents, 1 penny, whatever, 7 cents, whatever you see on this left here. And the first major retracement is obviously wave 2. There's no disagreement there. Okay, now wave 3 has to extend to a minimum of the 1 Fibonacci extension. You look around the 1 Fibonacci extension and you don't really see anything major. Okay, you don't see a major sort of correction. So I look and see and think that must be that we're still in wave 3. Because if you see this correction here and you say, oh, that must be the end of wave 3 because it's at the 1 Fibonacci extension, then it begs the question, then what the hell is this? So what we do is we count this as the beginning of wave 3, and then we start counting. This purple count is basically me starting counting wave 3. So that's wave 1 of 3. You see 5 waves here, right? This is wave 2 of 3. This is wave 3 of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 5 waves clearly. This right here is wave 4 of 3. And this that we have yet to print completely is wave 5 of 3. And so where we're at right here, right now, is the running flat correction of wave 4 of 5. Hello, everyone. My name is Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is March 17th, 2022, and Bitcoin is breaking out. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. We've been waiting for this for quite some time, all right? We had about 2 months of a very, very intense downtrend, okay, followed by 2 more months, or actually, let's see, followed by 52 days, so a month and a half of consolidation, right, for this reversal, and we're finally getting the reversal, okay? So Bitcoin is breaking out right now. This is what I'm seeing on the charts. Not only that, we are breaking out and targeting very, very high prices. I'm ready to tell you that my previous long-term analysis has changed. Yes, my friends, you've heard that correctly. It's changed. I am no longer seeing a cap at the 618 Fibonacci retracement level, meaning I believe that we will blow by 52K. And my actual final target for Bitcoin is $1 million. Yes, $1 million US. If that interests you, if this analysis, as crazy as it sounds, interests you, then watch until the very end, okay? I'm going to try to make this short, but this may very well be the most important video I've ever made, okay? We're on the hourly chart. Once again, I'm showing my reversal pattern. It consists of 3 main sequences, an A wave, a B wave, and then what I call a C section that's comprised of an A, B, and this B wave basically is a triangle, followed by the breakout pivot, okay? We are in the breakout pivot right now, okay? Let's zoom in on the triangle, okay? Here's why I think we're breaking out right now. So on the 5-minute chart, very small time frame. Once again, these triangles, they're comprised of 5 waves, 5 sets of 3 waves each, okay? So you see 3 waves, 1, 2, 3 in A, 3 waves in B, 3 waves in C, 3 waves in D, and we had 3 waves in E. This triangle is complete. This triangle is complete, right? So now let's zoom in on the pivot. And what I'm seeing is a pivot that has taken us directly into an impulse. I see 5 waves up here, okay? And I see an A, B, C correction, okay? And that is the end. Now, what we got after that was a reversal right here. Let's zoom in on that. Just so everybody sees, remember that reversal pattern, the big reversal pattern that I keep talking about. You see it, it's time frame agnostic. You can see it on every time frame. Once again, you see exactly what I've been talking about. An A wave. Here's a B wave, okay? And this is your C section starting here, okay? And then you have an A wave. This B wave is a triangle. And then you got your pivot. So on the small time frame, you have exactly what's going on the large time frame. That is the definition of a fractal, okay? So right here, you basically have our 1 wave, our 2 wave, our wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. This, my friends, is a 5-3-5-3-5, an initial diagonal, or leading diagonal rather. It is a bullish structure. It is basically one of those waves that you get when price all wants to break out and consolidate at the same time, okay? The trick with the leading diagonal is wave 4 can indeed retrace beyond the 382, but it can't come into the region of wave 2. That's the only trick. Wave 4 cannot come into the region of wave 2. Okay. Now, we have the short-term analysis, why I'm bullish in the short term, why I think we're breaking out right now, not later on, not maybe later. My analysis shows that we are breaking out right now. Okay, now let's flip to what I said. Okay, I said some pretty bold, I made some pretty bold claims. I said before, I was saying that 52K is the top because we are in a this 73-day downtrend represents the first wave of 5 down, okay? I no longer believe that. Here is why. Let's jump in to the index chart, okay? And the index chart is the chart of Bitcoin that takes us from when Bitcoin first started at a penny, okay? I went on the monthly time frame. Actually, I didn't. Let's go on the monthly time frame. Okay? And let's look at it. Here is my count, okay? And if you appreciate analysts, YouTubers, whatever, influencers, if I'm an influencer, I only have like 400 subscribers. If you appreciate the fact that I'm willing and happy to change my analysis, to change my mind if I see something better, okay? Because I'd rather be rich than right. Then like the video, share the video with other people who are interested in Bitcoin analysis, technical analysis, Elliott wave theory, and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. My analysis is completely flipped on its head because what I'm seeing in the charts is this, okay? During the live stream, last live stream on Tuesday, I have Tuesday live streams every Tuesday, right? Around 4:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I said the one thing I didn't like about my previous analysis was that my wave 3, okay, this is the wrong chart, not the Bitstamp chart. I want the index chart. Here we go. There we go. That my wave 3 ended. So previously I had wave 3 ending here. Okay, and my wave 3 ended at the 786. And we know, according to Elliott wave theory, wave 3 cannot extend below the one Fibonacci extension of wave 1, okay? The one Fibonacci extension is the minimum extension of wave 3, okay? And we had wave 3 end at 786. That was the one thing I didn't like about that. So I critiqued it. Last night, I don't know, I just happened to stare at this, and you know when you have those moments where it's like you're looking at a crossword puzzle, you're looking at a problem, you just have the answers. Everything makes sense. It's so clear. It fits. I had a eureka moment, and I looked at it. I was like, no shit. We're in the third wave, okay? We are in the third wave. All right, very clearly. I did a Fibonacci extension. I took the Fibonacci extension tool of wave 1. Okay, that's very clearly wave 1. All right, we have 0 cents, 1 penny, whatever, 7 cents, whatever you see on this left here. And the first major retracement is obviously wave 2. There's no disagreement there. Okay, now wave 3 has to extend to a minimum of the 1 Fibonacci extension. You look around the 1 Fibonacci extension and you don't really see anything major. Okay, you don't see a major sort of correction. So I look and see and think that must be that we're still in wave 3. Because if you see this correction here and you say, oh, that must be the end of wave 3 because it's at the 1 Fibonacci extension, then it begs the question, then what the hell is this? So what we do is we count this as the beginning of wave 3, and then we start counting. This purple count is basically me starting counting wave 3. So that's wave 1 of 3. You see 5 waves here, right? This is wave 2 of 3. This is wave 3 of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 5 waves clearly. This right here is wave 4 of 3. And this that we have yet to print completely is wave 5 of 3. And so where we're at right here, right now, is the running flat correction of wave 4 of 5. We are in wave 5 of 3, okay? That's what I'm seeing on the charts, and that's why I'm seeing it. That means we still have wave 5 of 5 to print for wave 3, okay? And remember, wave 3 is typically the most impulsive of the Elliott waves, the longest of the Elliott waves. So what I'm seeing very simply is when you do the Fibonacci extension of wave 1, right, you typically look for 3 things to get your target for wave 3, the end of wave 3. You look at the 1 Fibonacci extension, as I said. Okay, there's nothing there. Then you look at between the 1618 and the 2 Fibonacci extension. Look where the 1618 Fibonacci extension lies. This is my minimum target for Bitcoin, $966,500 US dollars. Look at the maximum Fibonacci extension for a normal wave 3, and that's not including an extended wave 3, okay? That would be, let me see if I'm reading this right, 20,991,721. You can tell that I'm not used to reading such large figures. Not, my bank account's not that big yet, okay? And anybody listening to this video, if you so happen to jive with this analysis, to resonate with this analysis, just, who knows? Just put something in, buy something, and let it ride until these targets. Who knows? Your bank account may look as ridiculous as these projections, right? So that's why I'm seeing $1 million Bitcoin minimum, because that is the target of the 1618. And we are currently, according to my read, in wave 4 of 5 of the third wave of the larger degree, okay? So 2 quick ways to get a fifth wave sort of projection, right? We know that you can do the inverse 1618 of wave 4, okay, and that gives you $107,000 Bitcoin, but that wouldn't necessarily be as it's not. It doesn't necessarily have to be the top, because as I showed, the one Fibonacci extension of the Fibonacci extension of the first wave of the larger degree ends closer to $1 million. So it's likely that we get an extended wave 5 here that doesn't stop at 107,000. Okay, that's why I'm seeing $1 million Bitcoin very likely. If you appreciate this kind of analysis, like, share, and subscribe. Right or wrong, sound technical analysis, Elliott wave theory. I'm just giving you what I'm looking at. Okay. That being said, if Bitcoin is pumping, let's say even modestly to the inverse 1618, so to 100K, okay? That's a 43% pump, okay? If it's pumping to a million, that's 1,200% pump, okay? That being said, if all of these things are likely to be true, first, we will see the 52K region broken. Why? Because 52K represents the 618 level, Fibonacci retracement level of the downtrend. And once you breach the golden mean, the 618, then you can look higher. If we get rejected by the 618 significantly and start heading down, then this analysis is completely wrong. This is the invalidation of this analysis. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you what I did this morning. I did a thing. I looked, given this new found knowledge on the charts, this new understanding, these new insights, I thought, how can I leverage this and make a lot of money? What's the best play? What's the best trade? Risk to reward? What's the best way I can invest a little and make a lot? So I looked on the charts. And I looked at a few different projects, and I saw this one right here. This, my friends, you've guessed it, Shiba Inu. Look at this chart. Okay, we just saw that Bitcoin's likely in a wave 4 of a fifth wave, okay, to the upside. Looking at this chart, I'm seeing very, I'm going to go on the weekly chart. This looks like since October of 2021, it's been down only, okay? It started putting up a reversal pattern here, right? You can see the reversal pattern with the A wave, the B wave, the pivot. And it looks, and even a pattern trader will tell you, this is a very bullish structure. It's a bull flag, right? It's a descending channel, descending wedge that typically breaks to the upside. If this is true, and this is wave 4, just like Bitcoin was in wave 4, what's the target of this? Okay. Quite simply, the target of this would be the inverse 1618 of this, if it were regular, okay? So look at that pump. That would represent a $1,000 or 1,000% increase, okay? And if it were to the Fibonacci extension, actually, if it was an extended wave 5, if this is indeed wave 5, it would be 3,000%. So that's what I'm seeing on the charts, and that's why I'm seeing it. This is a great time to buy. It doesn't matter what you're buying, okay? Well, it does. You want to look at the chart. I don't know how good Luna looks, to be honest. It looks a little toppy to me. But most charts look very good and poised to run. Look at this. Moon River. Look at Harmony. Look, you see descending wedges. Sushi. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Actually, I don't know how healthy that looks, but it's quite depressed, but you do see some kind of reversal, right? So now's a great time to get involved, my friends. Look at this, Tron, right? This is clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is going up, 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 up. Okay, and that's what I'm seeing on the charts. That's why I'm seeing it buy, and hold. And I'm gonna hold all of my assets, right, up until Bitcoin hits close to 1 million. And that is why, okay? Let's make a lot of money. Hopefully this analysis is correct. If it's not, we will know very soon, my friends, because we will get rejection at the 52K level. If you appreciate this analysis, once again, like the video, share the video with other people who you think may also benefit from technical analysis of cryptocurrencies, and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And great luck. I wish you all the best. Make lots of money. And hopefully this is correct. I'm very excited about this, as you can tell. All right. Take care. Bye.